Hey, what's going on, guys? What do you say we do a little unboxing today from the man himself, Casey Lynch? Sent me one of the most coveted pieces of EDC gear on the planet, the All Access Pass. This one is a V1.5 because I was using this version 2 last week or 2 weeks ago or something. We had a big piece of equipment come into the studio, and it wasn't my studio, so I didn't really have the gear that I needed, which was a full-size crowbar. But believe it or not, I used this guy to pry loose some of the boards so I can get the claw of a hammer into the boards and kind of rip it apart. So I literally was hammering on this thing. Oh, God, Casey's gear is just so good, so solid, bulletproof, and I absolutely love it. I've had these two little guys probably since like 2016 or 2015 or something like that. Really, really love them. So lightweight, so compact. I love this small size, as you guys know that know me. I love my small gear. Jimping, super thought out. Just what can you not say about it? You know what I mean? And then got this awesome Delica from Casey a few years back that he gave me as a gift, which is awesome. And I always will cherish this knife. So really cool scales that he made for this knife. Got the Joe Bananas mirror edge. You can literally see me talking in the edge of the knife, which is tremendous. And the now infamous and amazing, I was gonna say, not really infamous, now just regular famous, pocket clip here, deep carry clip that you all know and love. And just look at how sick that is. You can see the edge of the knife through the speed holes. Amazing. Let that chill right there. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, and I could not wait for, as you can see that I've already opened this bad boy up. Check out the little packaging there. Awesome. Guaranteed for life. Made in America. Uh-oh. Spoiler alert. So yeah, the little note comes in here. Thanks, buddy. The OD Green V2.0 is on me. Casey, you're too kind. I will not let you get away with that. And then some stuff here, some stuff here. Couple of stickers from Mr. Everyday Colton on Instagram. Colton's an awesome dude. Give him a follow. I'll link to his Instagram page below. He is a great member of the EDC community. Met him at Blade Show a couple years ago, and we've been buddies ever since. And he makes all these really great stickers of popular EDC items, so holler at him and get yourself some stickers. They're really nice, and I dig them. So yeah, throw these over here. And here's a little birth certificate for you guys to check out. August 2019, V1.5, All Access Pass, Rootbeer Cerakote. Get this out of the way. Display our stickers properly. And as you can see, I've already opened these. I just really was excited to check them out. One of the things that's tough is, the packaging's so nice you kind of don't even want to open it. But yeah, so here's a bead that Casey included with my pry bar. It's got a skull, and it says Numquam Seedy. And I know I'm for sure saying that wrong, but I did Google it, and it translates to never give up, which is a great message, and I definitely appreciate that. And yes, here it is. So, made in the USA. Things are not really made in the USA too much anymore, so I appreciate this. But yeah, Casey, I hit him up because I wanted something larger than the version 2, and as you can see, let me lay this down flat so you can get a proper size comparison here. Nice and centered up for you guys. It's a pretty significant size difference. Let me just get that nice and dialed in there. So the little guy can do a lot. Like I said, I use it in the studio every day. But I really wanted just the option to have something bigger, and the fact that these weigh absolutely nothing, I feel like just having this in your backpack every day or whatever your EDC bag is, you can really just be ready for a lot of stuff. And you can, this isn't sharp, but you can use it to open a box if you wanted to. You know, obviously it's a pry bar, you can open bottles with it. You could just really handle a lot of stuff. And like I said, I've been using and abusing mine for 4 or 5 years now, and they just don't quit. So pretty impressed with the stuff that Casey makes. And he's been making these pry bars since about 2015, he told me. And it shows, because they've been really, really coveted in the EDC community. And if you are watching this and you don't already have some gear from Casey, I highly recommend checking him out and getting something if you can, and you'll dig it. I really think that one of these pry bars should be, you know, a staple in everybody's EDC kit. Just great to have something that you can hammer on and not worry about, ruining a knife or whatever. But yeah, just really thoughtful jimping, which gives you good grip. And yeah, shout out to Casey with this sick root beer color. It literally looks like when the light hits it. He sent me a photo of it outside, and when the sun hit it, it really looks like like a motorcycle, like an old school helmet or old school paint job with paint fleck. Let me see if I can turn on this flashlight. My County Com Maritac AAA tactical flashlight. You can kind of see a little bit of that sparkle on the pry part there. Sorry, this light is a little bit green, so it looks a little weird, but yeah, this thing's got such an awesome color. You could see this thing sparkling, and I was like, oh man, I guess I'll get like a black, I don't know, like a black pocket clip to maybe match it. And he's like, how about the exact same color, root beer, so it looks perfect? And I said, you know what, Casey, you're a good man, and I appreciate you. Yeah, Casey's been making these pocket clips since about 2013, and he started making them because he didn't like what was available for Spyderco's. So yeah, he's been making this EDC gear for a minute now, and he's made a very excellent reputation for himself. Everyone always has great things to say about him. The only bad thing that people say is that they can't get as much gear as they want because it always sells out so fast. So yeah, you can hit him up, check on his website, which is lynchnw.com. And again, I'll link to everything below. And he's also got a bunch of gear that drops at Blade HQ from time to time. So yeah, check him out and tell him I sent you. Give him a little follow on Instagram. And if you have any of his gear, let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear what you think of it. And that's about it. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Thanks. Peace.